Andariki, welcome back to my channel, Arun Nifty Trader. ఈ ఛానల్ లో హై క్వాలిటీ నిఫ్టీ అనాలిసిస్, డిసిప్లిన్డ్ ట్రేడింగ్ స్ట్రాటజీస్, ఇంకా క్వాలిటీ స్టాక్ మార్కెట్ అనాలిసిస్ అండ్ స్మార్ట్ డెసిషన్ మేకింగ్ మీద ఫోకస్ చేసి మాట్లాడుకుందాం. Let's get into today's analysis.
Disclaimer. All posts are educational purpose only. We are not SEBI registered. Please don't take any buy or sell entries based on our content or videos, and must consult your financial advisor before taking any decisions.
Welcome back. In this video we are doing a Nifty 50 weekend analysis for the 2nd of May 2026 using the 5-minute Nifty chart and the key levels traders should watch. First, one important clarification. The 2nd of May 2026 is a Saturday, so NSE and BSE are closed. The market was also closed on Friday, May 1st for Mahash Day. So this is a weekend analysis and Monday outlook, based on the latest completed session, Thursday, 30 April. Nifty 50 closed at 23,997.55, down 180.10 points, or 0.74%. The important point is that the close came just below the psychological 24,000 mark, so the short-term mood stays cautious. On the 5-minute chart you can see the sharp fall, and then a recovery from the lower zone. But the recovery is still testing the 24,000 area, so this is not yet a clean bullish reversal. The most important resistance zone is 24,000 to 24,100. If Nifty opens above this zone and sustains above 24,100 for the first 30 to 45 minutes, then short covering can continue. If 24,100 is crossed and sustained, the next upside zones are at 24,180, then 24,300 to 24,350. But avoid chasing the first candle. A pullback or higher low setup is safer than jumping in late. On the downside, 23,800 is the first important support. This is close to the recent intraday low area. So if Nifty breaks below 23,800, sellers can again become active. Below 23,800, the next support zone is 23,650 to 23,000 short show. A clean break below 23,650 with weakness can turn the next session more bearish. India, the 6th, closed near 18.46, up around 5.85%. That means option premiums can stay expensive and intraday moves can be sharp. In this environment, confirmation matters more than prediction. The second big factor is crude oil. Higher crude is usually negative for India because it can pressure inflation, the rupee bond yields, and margins. So crude remains a key risk for Nifty sentiment. So here is the trading plan. Bullish case, sustain above 24,100. Bearish case, fail near 24,000 or break below 23,800. Neutral case, Nifty stays inside 23,800 to 24,100, which means range-bound price action. My final view is simple. Treat 24,000 as the decision zone. Above 24,100, bulls get some control back. Below 23,800, bears stay active. This video is only for education, not a buy or sell recommendation. Always manage your risk and use stop losses.